After missing Mom for 2 weeks, we're so excited to welcome her back to the boat.
Mommy's back!
I'm tired.
You're tired. I'm tired too, because I had a very long journey home. I spent 16 hours in the LAX airport and got home yesterday afternoon. And this morning we are awake. And we are in Loreto. We're gonna go back out exploring. Is that the plan?
Yep, tomorrow we're going to start heading back south, but not too far, just to check out some of the places we skipped over to get up here in quick fashion.
I'm Kate, and this is my husband Mick, our kids, Thomas and Bentley. 5 years ago, we had this crazy idea to travel the world with our kids, and never did we imagine our mode of transportation would be a sailboat. These are my parents. It's been their lifelong dream to sail across oceans. And so together, a dream was born. Come along with us as we learn, laugh,
I play with boats.
and explore. And hey, don't forget to hit subscribe.
It is awesome to be back on the boat. It's very hot. I feel like I've recovered from my night sleeping on the floor in LAX, so that's good.
Which, to your defense, that would make anybody grumpy.
When was I grumpy? What's he saying? It's very expensive here. Laundry, normally average 100 to 150 pesos, which is like under 10 bucks. Yesterday, same size bag, maybe slightly bigger. 400 pesos?
Yeah.
Crazy. Dinghy dock, they charge you like a minimum of 100 pesos, and then they add on like per person. So one day,
And then like taxes and stuff, which I've never seen them do.
yeah, it's crazy. So it's an expensive little town. Even the grocery store seemed expensive. But we're very remote. We're in the middle of the Baja, and maybe that's just what it costs to get supplies here.
How does it feel to be back? Under sail, movements in just the wind, Kate.
It feels a lot better than being at anchor. It feels good. How is it?
It's fantastic, thank you.
Pasta salad's perfect hearty meal on a bloody hot day. It is incredibly hot.
And I can see a breeze ahead, but as we get closer, it seems to go away. We're really close to getting some wind, I think. 5.
Woo!
Just like that.
That is crazy how quick that picked up. Oh, that feels so good.
Doesn't it?
That breeze is literally life-saving right now. They're ripping. There they are. They're almost gone. Our friends on Arcuda, and I think the anchorage is sort of around there.
All I know is that we have defeated Jackdaw today.
Yeah!
So is it kind of like you really missed your first mate?
Yeah, I know I've told you this before. I don't know if you believe me, but you have a natural knack of just feeling things, which is massive.
That's
It's
cool.
very helpful. It just gives me more confidence to put more sail up rather than by myself.
Maybe it has something to do with growing up on the water, even though I wasn't a sailor. So that means you boys are going to be seriously natural sailors.
Hey.
Yeah.
Should I call Arcuda and
Bentley, please
ask
don't do
if
that.
they're going to where we're going?
Don't
If
tangle
you want
yourself
to.
in the lines, bud.
SV Meraki.
I just wanted to make sure that we're going to the right place, the same place. Are you guys going to Baja Marquare? Something like that?
Let me double check here.
We've got our noisy fan on in the background, honey.
What does that copy mean?
Copy that. It means yes.
Alright, awesome.
There's something coming out of the bottom. I think, like what he
Oh,
said.
a sunken ship. I read about that, I think. Was that here?
I don't think
Sunken
so.
army ship?
I think it's a
What's that
spire,
anyway?
which is like just like a pinnacle mountain type thing coming up underneath the water. It's on the chart.
Crazy.
Yeah, I'm hoping we get south enough that when we tack back in, we might just be north of it or south of it. We'll see.
He said spire. Fire, spire. I
Yeah.
thought he said fire.
Fire.
Fire, spire. It rhymes, so
It does.
yeah.
I missed you guys.
I miss you too.
Okay, Thomas, go. Bentley, just wait. Okay, go, Bentley.
Is that good?
Keep going, keep going, keep going, both of you. Keep going, keep. Okay, Bentley, you're good. See, can you do it? I think you can. Okay, sure ran with it.
Yeah.
Got us all excited. One day I hope I'm holding the camera at the moment we get a fish on. Because the excitement level when that happens is high, isn't it, Bentley?
It's not really fighting. It just feels like a dead weight.
That's weird. Maybe it is something different.
Do you want to have a go at bringing it in?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, the enthusiasm.
Oh, not on the bottom.
Ah,
You might have to help him a bit.
What can I do to help?
he's so fat. Ah. I need to tighten it a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
Woohoo!
Good job, boys.
It's fighting like nothing we've caught before.
Yeah, I'm bored. It's a shark?
It almost looks like a baby shark, doesn't it?
No, baby shark! I get to see a shark in the wild up close. Look at him, like move his. It looks like a baby great white shark. Yeah, but he's gonna get the gap.
Wow, he's beautiful.
Wow, he's beautiful.
Smell my hand.
Okay, I need to help your dad. What can I do to help?
Oh, that's okay. Sorry. I thought I lost the lure in his mouth, and I was really sad for him. Okay, so that just would have popped out of his mouth fine. He had a lot of life left in him. What I was trying to do was flatten the barb on this hook, because shark skin is so tough that I couldn't get the hook back out, especially with all the pressure on him.
So you're flattening the barb, which we normally
I was trying to
do
flatten the
anyway.
barb, yeah.
Good job, you did it.
He was
You
still
okay?
very alive, yeah. I just feel terrible catching. Like that was how beautiful was that? The colors and stuff.
Good job, you saved him.
Yeah.
Tommy, you're steering like a champ. We have made it to Isla Carmen. It is a beautiful anchorage, the name that we can't pronounce, and the sun is setting. And as soon as we got here, we jumped in the water because we were so hot. And then we had burgers, because that was a Bentley request, wasn't it, Bentley?
Yeah, I'm very happy with it.
You're very happy we had burgers?
I had a shopping list and hamburgers was on it.
Hamburgers was on it. Then we were off again on what would be our last sail with Jackdaw for quite some time. Sometimes cruiser life means going in opposite directions of your good friends. Thankfully, the wind gods were with us and we had an amazing last sail with Jackdaw. We had the best time racing along down the coast to Baja Candeleros.
We're going 7 knots.
Is it fun?
It's crazy, but yeah, kind of fun.
Good.
Look at the water, just like.
That is Isla Carmen behind us, where we just left on our way back to Candeleros. Yeah, I think I spoke last time about the channel between these two islands that we came up between. The wind was really good there. Right now it's blowing right out of there pretty strong. We were just hitting like 7.5 knots. We can't go that way just yet because the wind is coming directly out of there. But there's an island right here, which is Isla Danzant. And I don't want to get on the leeward side of that because then we'll lose the wind. So I think I'm going to get as close to the north end as possible and then tack back into the open area, and we should be out in that channel. That's what I'm going to try and do. This is such an awesome sail. It's our last one with Jackdaw for a while. We have just been like right with them the whole way. We're still flying along, doing like 6.8 knots now. They're right behind us, doing similar, I'm sure, looking pretty. Fun, fun.
So we arrived to Candeleros last night, and this morning it was definitely a pancake morning. We're standing in the kitchen, looking out the porthole at dolphins feeding and leaping in the air. It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Pretty amazing Tuesday morning view. How are the pancakes going?
Good.
Nice. You've become the pancake master, haven't you?
Maybe. I can't see anything. Can we turn on these lights?
Yeah.
Look under and I can't see. Better? Yeah, it's way better.
Dolphins.
Dolphins!
Dolphins. Morning dolphin show at Anchor.
Do they feel the same or do they feel more special now?
Pretty special every time, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Where are we going, boys?
To say goodbye to Jackdaw.
So sad, isn't it?
Yeah.
Balancing Dad.
Ta-da!
Have any words to say about Jackdaw?
They have taken care of me, I feel like, for the last few weeks. It was just really kind. They stayed with us, they helped us out, they knew we were short-handed, and they were encouraging the whole way. And it's going to be sad to see them go. They're not dying, they're just going back down south for a few weeks.
And then we'll see them in a couple months.
Yeah.
But it's the
Hopefully.
longest we've been apart from them.
Yeah.
In 9 months.
Bye.
Bye! Have a great trip back to La Paz. We're wishing you all the northerlies on the days we're not traveling and needing southerlies. What more can we say about our dear friends on Jackdaw? We were so fortunate to meet up with them so early on in our journey. They became our support network, our good friends, our sail buddies, and amazing role models for our kids. We cannot wait to meet up with them again before the end of the year.
Bye!
Fair winds, Jackdaw!